guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you what is just outside of this frame when you're watching my videos. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. This is a handheld tripod. It's by the brand Manfrotto. These are very inexpensive. If I can find this exact one on Amazon, I will link it down below. That is where I got it. You can position this to film on a counter, or like what I'm going to do, you use these arms as a handle, and hopefully I'm going to be able to not have too much camera shake with this. And this is where I'm going to hook the camera that you're watching right now. Here I am sitting in front of the background that you see in most of my videos. This is where I film my thumbnails, my intros, and my outros. If you watch my videos regularly, first and foremost, thank you. You know that I do most of my try-ons out on the deck. It's just colorful and pretty out there, and I also really like the natural light. I want to turn my camera around and show you what I see when I'm talking to you. I'm sitting in the same chair and I turn the camera around, and this is what I see when I'm looking at you and talking to you. This took some practice because I had to continually remind myself that when I'm looking at the lens, I'm looking at you. I am making eye contact with you and I'm talking to you. Fun fact, for the first 6 months of filming YouTube videos, in order to feel like I was connecting with someone, I would rotate out pictures of people that I care about. This is my gorgeous niece Jamie, and when I looked toward the camera and I could see her smile, it made me smile and feel like I was talking to someone. This helped me initially to realize that I am talking to someone on the other end of the lens. The square light box that you see, I happened to own those already well before I started my YouTube channel because I am also a freelance photographer. I only recently purchased a ring light, the one that you see here, and honestly, I just started using this week because I had the light boxes. It wasn't a necessity. Try to have good light at eye level. You will also notice that I have a window right behind the ring light and then another one off to the side. Natural light is always the best. The way that this room is configured, it is a bit of a blessing and a curse because unless I use fill lighting like the soft boxes, I will get backlighting and strange shadows. So although I do have natural light in this room, it's not quite enough, nor is it at the proper angle. So that's why I use the additional lighting. On my computer screen, you can see that I am actually editing the video as I'm shooting it. So I will shoot a scene and then edit it and stitch it all together into the final video that you see, but I digress. So here's what you see, and I decided on a white background because I knew that I was going to be doing fashion videos, and I wanted the clothing to really stand out well. So I went to Walmart and I bought a couple of sheer white panels. I picked up a very inexpensive wooden dowel from, it was either Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm not sure which. And I hung it from the ceiling with some toggles. Then to backlight the background, I went to Walmart and picked up some very simple gooseneck lamps. I bought 2 of them. I put one on each side angled up, and that's how I get a crisp, well-lit white background. I want to show you what this looks like without the lighting, so I'm going to turn off the goose lamps. Here's the second one. This is a little battery-operated home decor piece. I usually have this lit when I'm filming, so I'm going to turn this off as well. Here's my background without being lit by those goose lamps, and now I'm going to turn off the softbox. And this is going to make the most difference because this is a very bright light. I'm going to turn off the ring light. And you can see that this would not be a particularly well-lit video. Now, I could use the overhead light, but it has been my experience that it casts really bad shadows on the face, and it also gives everything kind of a yellowish tinge no matter what type of light bulbs I use. Now we're going to get to the messy parts. I'm going to go through this and show you what is all around me and why when I'm filming. The first section is clothing that I am wearing in videos that are still in progress. I intentionally keep them clean until I have uploaded the video in case I have to reshoot anything. So these pieces I will not wear again until whatever respective video is completed. This section is the 5 pieces from my latest Stitch Fix. It's a video that I will be filming over the next couple of days. Full disclosure, I sat down to film this Stitch Fix video, didn't feel like it, and decided to film a behind the scenes video instead. The final section is filled with several pieces from ThredUp. I have another ThredUp video coming, so this is in preparation for that. And what I will do as my ThredUp orders come in, because they don't necessarily always come in one box, is I will put a little note on the hanger. For example, this is a Daniel Rain top. This is 100% silk in my favorite color. This is a size medium. It originally would have sold for $68. I got it for $13.60, but you'll notice the little handwritten note. It says, "Oops, dry clean only." I would have never got this had I seen that, but this will still be in an upcoming video. I always have a running list of videos that I'm about to film on a dry erase board. As I complete each, I erase it and I write in new ones. A lot of times you give me suggestions for videos and they will go on this board as well. At the bottom of this bookcase and actually spilling out onto the floor, I have several videos in progress. I'm working on an extended skincare test. Here are the additional ALLDASHING press-on nails from a video that I just did recently. If you haven't watched that one, I will link it in the cards above. I plan to do a video with these, that's why they're still in the box. Random side note, I have had this set of ALLDASHING press-on nails on my nails for 12 days. And not a single one has popped off yet. I'm actually going to have to remove them to try out the additional sets. I have a big pile of floppy hats that I use for most of my try-ons, mostly because my hair gets frizzy in the heat, but it also makes for a cute outfit. I need to find a better way to store these actually. This is my favorite little clothing steamer. It is so fast, it was very inexpensive, and I use it to steam all of the clothes that you see in my videos. I really don't like to show clothes with wrinkles in them, so I try to get them out whenever I can. The rest of this pile and the one that I'm about to show you are all from upcoming videos. I kept seeing this jewelry. It's called Cape Diablo on Facebook. I finally broke down and ordered a piece. I have an upcoming video on this. I found one of my favorite brands of jewelry through Stitch Fix, and that is the brand Nakamole, which always makes me think of whack-a-mole, but I digress. I decided to place an order directly with Nakamole, so I have several pieces that I got on clearance on the Nakamole website directly. I do have a video coming up on this, or I might put it at the tail end of a Stitch Fix video, I'm not sure. This is a product that was sent to me by the company Sleep and Glow, and you are reading it right. It is an anti-aging pillow bra. And this is supposed to prevent you from getting basically cleavage wrinkles. It's still sitting here in the box because this is going to take some creative filming. As you can see by the photo on the box, I am going to have to find a modest way to show this. I did show their anti-aging Sleep and Glow pillow in a previous video, and if you haven't watched that one, I will link it in the cards above. That video was actually a lot of fun to do, and I am still sleeping on that pillow to this day. I have never taken it off of my bed, so you will be seeing some form of this anti-aging pillow bra coming up soon. I'm also working on another Israel pack unboxing. This video is going to have a ton of cooking. I cannot wait for you to see what's in this particular box. This is a Stitch Fix that just came in. I'll get to this over the next couple of days. I've been getting a lot of comments about my hair in the last couple of videos, and that is because I am using this new flat iron that I just got about 2 weeks ago. This is the empty box that you're looking at because I do have this in my bathroom. I have it here as a reminder that I need to complete this video, so I will have a hairstyling video coming up as well. This is a package from a dear friend and subscriber, Flossie, over in Australia. I'm going to be filming an international giveaway, and she was kind enough to actually send me a package, so I wanted to unbox them or unveil them together. So that is why it is sitting here, and no, I have not peeked. This rack that you see in my videos is something that I picked up from Wayfair. When I first started my channel, I didn't buy a single thing other than the sheer curtains and the gooseneck lamp. Everything else I pulled either from another area of the house or repurposed items to make a backdrop. Now over time, because I've done review videos, I've collected some packaging, and honestly I just use that as decor. So I still have the original bag from the Kate Sparkle ring that I showed quite a while ago. In fact, let me show it to you. I love this opal ring from Kate Sparkle so much. I often wear this on my right hand when I am not filming because I'm usually showing you other jewelry when I'm filming. On the next shelf down, I have some pottery pieces from a video that I'm working on. And then a habit I've gotten myself into is that any jewelry that I'm wearing in videos that are in progress, I put on this shelf so that I can find them easily if I need to film another scene. This is just a little floral arrangement with a couple of faux wrapped presents that I did to put a little color with the white background. And then on the bottom two shelves, I have the accessories that I use the most in videos. I have two pair of neutral colored shoes. I go back and forth between these with most of my try-ons. I have my all-time favorite Balzano handbag. I love this bag because it's the perfect size and it matches everything. I'll try to remember to link my Balzano video in the cards above. This subscription is one of the best values out there. Now, I do own other sunglasses. I got these at QVC, and these are the brand Privé Revaux. I love these pink ones so much that I end up wearing them every day, so I always have them handy. The other subscription that I think is well worth the price is Glamour Jewelry. I get this sent to me, but honestly, even if I didn't, don't tell Glamour Jewelry, I would buy this. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. It is a fraction of the cost of Rocksbox. I just did a video recently where I cooked up and taste tested frozen items from Dollar Tree. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it in the cards above. I have to tell you that I was pleasantly surprised by some of those items. I also have a big bag of Dollar Tree pantry items, so I'm already planning my next Cook With Me and Let's Taste video. Due to all of my snacking and picking up the Quarantine 15, I really need to start exercising again. So when Axie reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some of their activewear, I was definitely down for that because I want to make a video and show my progress. Axie was so generous and sent me a bunch of pieces actually. This will all be in an upcoming video. So many of you have asked for a closet tour, and it just so happened that I was sent some closet organizing cubes from Lucky Find. This is a video that I am filming currently and it should be up soon. Am I done with my piles? Nope, because we're going to go to the other side of the chair, and guess what? There's more. I want to show you some subscriptions that I get, but I don't film videos on. And if you would like to see videos on any of these, let me know. I get Rocksbox, and here's why I don't show it. I think they're overpriced. I really do. I use them more as a rental service, and every once in a while I will buy a piece, but I am more of a $9.99 earring kind of person, not a $68 earring kind of person. If you want to see these unboxings, let me know in the comments down below. I always have this box, I just don't film it. This one might surprise you as well. I've been getting BoxyCharm since well before I had my YouTube channel. I've probably been getting this for about 2 years. The very first videos that I ever watched on YouTube were makeup related, and I've had this subscription for quite a while. Honestly, I find that I give away most of what I get in it, and I also tend to use this to get pieces to put in a giveaway, which I'll touch on in just a second. This one might also surprise you. I also have been getting FabFitFun for probably a year now. I also like to pull pieces from this box to put into giveaways. I get this box quarterly. If you would like to see unboxings on FabFitFun, let me know in the comments down below. Now, to me, these 2 boxes are the most fun thing I have in this room because I won not 1, but 2 giveaways. I cannot believe it. You really feel like you're sitting and chatting with a friend on Robyns' channel and Vicki's channel, and I will link both of their channels down below. I will be doing an unboxing of both of these giveaways that I won, but speaking of giveaways, I have a box piled high with giveaway items in preparation for my 25,000 subscriber giveaway. We are getting very close. I have everything in here from jewelry to makeup to home accessories. I cannot wait to do that video. And again, I do want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. These giveaways are just a small way to say thank you to you, and I can't wait to do the next one. I stepped out onto my deck to film this final scene because the Rose of Sharon are just starting to bloom, as are the trumpet vines. I typically do not film outside with sound because of the traffic noise. It's the angle that you usually see when I'm doing try-ons. I was getting really hot on the deck, so I slipped down to a shady spot on the steps. If there are any other YouTube categories that you would like me to discuss on this channel, I'm no expert, but I'll be happy to give you my perspective. Just let me know in the comments down below what topics you'd like to see covered.